A man and his allied soldiers from the beaches of Dunkirk, France. Hundreds of thousands of British and Allied troops are trapped with little hope of escape. Suddenly, everyone looks up with fear in their eyes. They start running with panic. German planes flight towards them. The man stranded on the beach, surrounded by German forces, dropped to the floor, thinking it was the end for him and his fellow partners. This film captures the desperation, bravery, and survival of ordinary people during a critical moment in history.